Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Hassan Ali from grade 7.
And I am Hanan Ahmed from grade 7.
This is a project of our science exhibition, and due to this we made a project called Automative Drive. This project uses 6 main components. These are AFK motor shield, Arduino UNO, 18650 amps battery, 1 switch, 1 servo motor and 1 ultrasonic sensor and 2 TT gear motor. Due to the ultrasonic sensor, it detects obstacles, and due to this it receives the sound wave back to itself, and due to this it detects obstacles and it moves. And I would like to show you how it moves. First I on the switch and the coding is done for 5-second delay, and now it works. This detects objects and then it turns, as you can see here. It is made by both of us. Well, this ultrasonic sensor is used in modern cars like Tesla to detect, like, if an accident happens, all the airbags are blown. Due to this, it detects first and then all the airbags are blown. It's a pleasure to be over here to show you our amazing project. Thank you.